Let's talk about what I think is the single most powerful shift any business can make today. It's this move from just shouting into the void and hoping for the best to having a real, meaningful conversation, a conversation that actually drives growth. And it all starts with one fundamental thing: truly, deeply knowing your audience.
I want you to think about that for a second. Seriously, are you selling coffee to tea drinkers? It sounds so simple, right? But this question gets right to the heart of a huge, massive problem. So many marketing efforts, so many business ideas, they just fall flat because they're aimed at the wrong people. They're offering something that people simply don't want or need. It is the perfect metaphor for wasted time, wasted money, and wasted effort.
And that brings us right to the core of the problem, this idea of operating blindly. This is what happens when we make decisions based on what we think we know, on our own internal assumptions, instead of the actual real-world truth about who our customers are.
And this quote, well, it just says it all, doesn't it? Without a crystal clear picture of your ideal customer, a persona, every single action you take is just a guess. You're basically crossing your fingers, hoping that someone, somewhere out there, might be interested. It's just not an effective way to build something meaningful.
So what's the outcome of all that guesswork? Well, it's pretty much exactly what you'd expect. Vague marketing leads to vague and, let's be honest, pretty disappointing results. It's a strategy that ultimately leaves both you and your potential customer feeling completely misunderstood. Okay, so how do we fix this? The solution isn't just about getting more data. It's about a really profound shift in your entire perspective. It's about moving away from all that guesswork and into a state of deep, genuine empathy for the people you truly want to serve. The name for this process is audience identification. And let's be super clear here. This is so much more than just knowing basic demographics like age, gender, and location. That's surface level stuff. We're talking about understanding the whole person on a much deeper level. This means we're going deeper. We're talking about their hopes for the future, the fears that might be keeping them up at night. What is it that truly motivates them to act? Who influences their decisions? And maybe, most importantly, what are the unique words and phrases they use? This is where real, lasting connection actually happens. And when you have that level of understanding, wow, it's like a fog just lifts. It brings this incredible, profound clarity to everything you do. Your messaging suddenly gets sharper, your product development becomes laser-focused, and your place in the market becomes undeniable. Why? Because you know exactly who you're talking to and what they actually need to hear from you. And look, this isn't just a nice-to-have anymore. This is the new standard. A staggering 68% of consumers today don't just appreciate personalization. They absolutely expect it. They demand it in every single interaction. If you're not delivering it, you're already behind. All right, so let's get to the good part. What's the real payoff here? Because investing all this time and energy into deep audience understanding isn't just some feel-good exercise. Oh no, it delivers powerful, focused, and measurable financial results. It really comes down to a simple, stark contrast. On one side, you've got the old way, casting a super wide net, spraying your message everywhere, and just wasting so much money. On the other side, you have a precise, optimized approach where every single dollar is directed toward the audiences that have the absolute highest potential to connect with what you're doing. And the data, well, the data backs this up in a big way. Check this out. Businesses that take the time to precisely define their ideal customer profile, their ICP, can see their sales conversion rates jump by as much as 67%. That is a massive, game-changing improvement, and it's driven entirely by focus. But hold on, because it gets even better. Are you ready for this number? When you effectively segment your audience based on this deep understanding, you can increase your revenue by up to 760%. No, that is not a typo. 760%. That right there is the unbelievable power of precision. So, where does this all go from here? What does the future look like? Well, in the fast-moving, fluid world we live in, understanding your audience can't just be a one-time project you do and then forget about. It has to be a continuous, living process, powered by technology. Think about it. Customer behavior is constantly shifting. Their needs change, their language evolves. What was true 6 months ago might be completely irrelevant today. And that's why the most successful brands, the ones that are really winning, are the ones that treat audience intelligence as an ongoing, adaptive part of their DNA. And this, right here, is where artificial intelligence becomes your indispensable partner. AI helps in three huge ways. First, it can do a behavioral deep dive, turning these mountains of raw data into clear, actionable insights. Second, it allows for what we call dynamic segmentation, which means it's constantly recalibrating your customer groups in real time. And third, and this is the really exciting part, it gives you predictive foresight, helping you anticipate what your customers are going to do next. So, the ultimate result of bringing AI into the mix is the ability to achieve true hyper-targeting. What does that mean? It means you can consistently deliver the perfect message to the right person at the exact right moment every single time. It's the ultimate fulfillment of the promise of true one-to-one personalization, but at scale.
So I want to leave you with this one question to really reflect on. In everything that you do, in every product you design, every message you write, are you building for a faceless crowd, or are you building for a specific person with real hopes, real fears, and real needs? Because ultimately, your answer to that question will define your future.